In this video, I will show you how to take screenshot on iPhone using the accessibility button. So let's get started. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Now scroll down further. Under Physical and Motor section, tap on Touch option. Next, tap on AssistiveTouch. Now enable AssistiveTouch option. Once done, a virtual home button will be activated on screen. Now go to the screen that you wish to take screenshot. Tap on this virtual home button. Then tap on Device. Tap on More. And then tap on Screenshot option. This will capture a screenshot of the screen. So that is how you can take screenshot on iPhone using accessibility button. If you find this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.